Welcome to Big Bear Trailers in Oundle, Northamptonshire. Today we've got a review on the new Debon Moto 1 single tilt bed motorbike trailer. I think this is the thing that makes this quite unique. We've sold a few motorbike trailers in the past, but if you're just thinking about a single large motorbike, this provides a really nice option and a really safe way of loading as an open trailer. This has got a gross weight of 750, a load carrying capacity of 577, so this is an unbraked trailer. The load bed, or the tray, the motorbike tray in the centre there, has got a total length of 249 centimetres, and internally it's 21.6 centimetres wide. We've had a look. Obviously when you're loading, you drop the number plate holder down here, and I will show you the tilt mechanism in a second, but if I just come forward to the wheel chock, the wheel chock is mounted here, but as you can see, those two fixings come forward one, which means you can pretty much make use of the full tray length of 249. To release the bed, you come to here, push down, that then tilts up. So you can see, actually, for a large motorbike, obviously you're decked either side here, so you can be on the motorbike, walking it up or riding it up, but with your feet down, and it just means it's nice and safe and sound. Obviously I'm recording this on my own at the moment, but if you can imagine, I am riding a motorbike up. I'm going to keep coming up, keep coming up, keep coming up, and it gets to the stage where I'm just by the axle now, just ahead of the wheels. You can just feel the weight is going to shift in a second, and there she goes. She tilts down, and now she's locked in. Sorry, that wasn't the best of demonstrations, but I'm on my own, so let me just come round again and I'll show you. So to release the bed, push down here, comes up. If I wanted to engage the bed now, all I'm going to do is push down, nice solid click, and that's now engaged. And obviously you've got your wheelchair chock there that rocks over. The one thing I did spot this morning as well, you've got some extra metal sections there that are to replace the ones here, that if you're using a much bigger bike, these are much wider, so you can have a much wider wheel chock for that front receiver as well. The other thing I like, tie points. So you've got two at the front here, two just there, two just after middle basically, and then you've got another two on the rear pillars, so one just here and one just here as well. Now this one has been specified with the optional box, which I really quite like actually. Openable by just twisting the handle, up it comes, but inside was a nice little treat because it's got bike straps, a wheel brace, a glove, a jack, and a warning triangle as well. Lockable. The bit you don't see is when it's latched. Actually take the cover off and you can see there's the lock there, so that cover protects it as well, which I think is also a really nice feature. Obviously it will just take a square rear number plate that will go there, just there, because your number plate line's just there. But I think for a single large bike trailer, this has got it sorted, because we've done others, but my worry with open trailers is if you've got a big bike, how safe is it to load? Now we have got other options that can take sort of up to 3 motorbikes that are also decked, but for just a single bike trailer, I think this works out really well. So this is the Debon Moto 1 tilt bed motorbike trailer, and we are Big Bear Trailers in Oundle, Northamptonshire, and our telephone number's on there, 01832 770 888. Thanks very much. Bye now.